good look, guys. I like it a lot.
Yeah, it does look good.
Yeah, it really does. Oh,
Wow.
Not bad, huh?
Looks good.
This is just amazing. So tell me how this all came together.
Well, before we started putting the roof boards on, well, they all had to break on a rafter. So we had to lay out where all the rafters would be. The big log rafters all went on a tie beam. And then once we got them all up, we left a space for our beam, which is 10 inches wide, and we started putting it up.
and the beam is, well, it's fake. It's a faux beam, right? I mean, you would never know from down here, but.
It looks really good.
So here it is. Reclaimed boards from another job. We mited them, put them together one piece at a time up top. It looks solid.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
You happy with it?
I am very happy with it.
I'm happy.
Well, it started with your idea way back, and we just made it come true.
I feel like I'm in the old attic. I think it's beautiful.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.